Super quick video. So I have this part right here. It's the 10.25 inch TFT display, protective glass. There's your RT right there. RT is easy to do. You just have instructions you need to follow. It's the same as any screen protector. You know, clean your surface, use dust remover. So I cleaned first with glass cleaner on the TFT. Then I used the microfiber to clear everything off. Then I used the dust remover and click that across to get all the dust off. Pulled the front cover off, mounted it on, got all the bubbles out, and made sure it was all good. Obviously, don't hit with an abrasive thing. But here's the problem with the R18. You guys with RTs, you have this logo. I don't on the R18. Sorry, our RTs have the full unexposed glass. I don't on the R18. So through some trial, no error, thankfully, I learned, see how this is reflective now versus, I shaved, versus it's no longer matte, it's now kind of a glossy matte, so I'll be able to see my stomach when I'm riding, which is great news. But you'll notice it looks a little bit weird. The reason why is because I grabbed, you can see back here, there's some rails, and you can lift that away from the holder. So what you do is you put your hands on both sides, down here and down here. You shimmy it back and forth, and this will come away. Get it away just enough where you have a gap up there to put your glass. And then you're going to have to, unfortunately, you have to remove the back and the front of the TFT protector and get it under there. You'll see I did a great job except for one teeny tiny speck right there. Everything else, though, went really well. No other issues. Take about 4 times as long cleaning and keeping dust out of this than you do applying, especially if you're like me and you're outside. Now, assuming that I'm right here, this can get pushed back in. There it goes, click, click, and then on the bottom, I'm gonna do just 2 hands on this one. I'll come right back to you. Got it. So just nice push right here and right here. It does help if you get underneath and you kind of find those little clips that run in. You can't see them now, but they're underneath that upper triple tree there, right behind here. Push it back in, give it a little bit of a tug, make sure it's in. It looks about as close as it was before. So if you just try to apply this TFT protector without removing this off a little bit, the TFT protector is going to be too large because the screen actually runs back here and down here. So there it is. That's all in now. I don't foresee that coming back out. The clips didn't look damaged. They weren't one-time use. But yeah, very quick video on how to install this on your R18. Worth installing. This should have no issues with water spotting. You do want to be careful on the material you use. I would not use like Rain-X or Windex with ammonia on this, because you'll probably do what Heather did to her bike and remove that coating. See how the coating's starting to fail? So I've got to replace hers on her 750 GS. So if you don't want that to happen to yours, don't abuse this. I would say even just water with a microfiber towel that's clean to keep it clean. But don't go wild on it, because you're gonna shine off all that material. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and ride safe.